my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video I am gonna talk about it's a review video obviously, and I'm gonna talk about a full-fledged like a face makeup बेस जो मेकअप का बेस होता है उसके बारे में बताने वाली हूँ only using these products. So I'm gonna do a full makeup base using 3 concealers from Daughter Earth, and the products are really nice. You don't feel like you have something on your face, and you can see my face looks super glowy. So yeah, I'm just gonna tell you how should you guys do your makeup using concealers and from like a single brand, and that's like a base makeup look. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. Very first step is just apply your moisturizer, whichever you do it, like whichever, because we are doing a full face makeup using Daughter Earth, all the concealers. So that's why you can just first layer of foundation is really important for especially people like me who have a super dry skin. So I really need to prepare my skin for that. Okay, so first I'm gonna do is I am using this shade. This is Cappuccino, the concealer. It's written over here. It's actually the darkest. I want to use this concealer to hide all the dark areas that I have on my face so that it should just look one. And the texture of this is super easy to blend. So if you feel like you're not a makeup artist or something, or you just a beginner, you are starting to love makeup and want to do really nice makeup, then these products are really nice. And this is one brand which is organic and does not include a lot of chemicals. So आप बिल्कुल tension free हो सकते हो while using these products because they're not really gonna harm your face. And next I'm using is the latte that you can see over here. Latte. This is on a little. This is on a brighter side where you need your cheekbones to come out and look really bright. So I'm just gonna use over here. Yes. So now I'll be taking a brush and being blend all this. Without brush also you can do it because it's a really soft one. It's not like a creamy, not like a very creamy that it's not it's hard to blend without brush. In case if you do not have a brush, it's still very easy to blend it. It just take a time, warm your hands up nicely and then blend it in a nicer way. And now I'm going to use the last one, which is the mocha one and comes with a great shade. So you can just take it, and if you feel like the contour has not been done really nicely, this is the exact shade of my face. So I am gonna just use it as a concealer, like the next layer over the concealer. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. And yes, the all products from Daughter Earth are really nice. I have a makeup on, I've concealed all the dark circles, my skin really looks even because I'm actually sitting in a natural light, so maybe you'll not be able to get this point, but once you use these products you'll be super happy. So if you want to use these products, I leave the link in the description box. You can click and you'll be headed to their website. You can buy them there. In case you're not interested in buying 3 of them and is scared for just trying a new brand, then you can definitely go for a single product and I'm sure you won't regret. They are super light on face, don't feel like a heavy thing, and is creamy, has a super full coverage, and I'm really impressed with the packaging. It's super matte. it comes with a magnetic thing, and yeah, that's like a great, comes with a great price. So yeah, thank you for staying till the end. Please do not forget to like, share, and let's be a full big family. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care and a Merry Christmas in advance.